All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're going to look at a part of language we all think we know inside and out adjectives. But what if I told you they have a secret identity? A hidden power that goes way beyond just, describing stuff. I mean, from the very first day of English class, what do they teach us? An adjective describes a noun. A red car, a happy dog. Simple. We think of them as these little decorative words we just hang on a noun. But is that really the whole story?
Yeah, not even close. If you really want to level up your English, to go from just being correct to having a real feel for the language, we have to blow up that old definition.
Okay, here it is. This is the big idea for today. Instead of thinking of adjectives as these passive little labels, I want you to start thinking of them as a second verb. They're not just describing what a noun is, they're describing its state of being. They're telling you what it's actively doing, which means they carry their own dynamic energy. So this is our first step, going beyond the textbook. To really get this, we have to stop memorizing rules and start feeling the vibe of a word. It's not just about what a word means, it's about what it does in a sentence. So let's put this new theory to the test with a classic point of confusion, one that trips up everybody, the difference between quick and fast. Yeah, on the surface, they seem interchangeable. But let's see what happens when we think of them as verbs, as describing two totally different kinds of action. And check this out. This table just lays it out perfectly. Fast is all about physical speed, how fast something is moving. Think of a Ferrari just blasting down the highway. But quick, that's totally different. Quick is about duration, how short a span of time something takes, like coming up with a witty answer in a split second. See? One is about miles per hour, the other is about the seconds on a stopwatch. Okay, so we've nailed down that quick is all about the duration of time and responsiveness. And because it's not just about raw speed, it has this whole family of other, more nuanced words living inside of it. Let's dive in and explore the life inside quick. First one up is swift. Now, swift isn't just about being done in a short amount of time. It's about the lack of hesitation. It's got this feeling of an immediate, fluid, and often really intelligent reaction. It's a quickness that comes from sharp perception. And this metaphor is just perfect. Picture a hawk, soaring way up high, and it spots its prey. The observation and the action, the dive, it's all one seamless, immediate motion. That is a feeling of swift. And you can see how it works right here. He didn't just quickly see the error. The word swift tells us his mind was sharp, perceptive, and just instantly moved to the solution. There was no delay at all. All right, let's meet another cousin in the quick family, brisk. Brisk is also about quickness, but this word is just full of positive energy. It feels lively, almost refreshing. You know the perfect image for brisk? Taking a walk on a cool, crisp autumn day. Your steps are light, your energy's up. It's an efficient and really pleasant kind of speed. It feels good. You see, saying a brisk snack instead of just a quick snack adds so much more flavor, doesn't it? It's not just about jamming food in your mouth in a short amount of time. It suggests this light, energizing little break that's going to refresh you before you get back to work. And here is the secret sauce that ties this all together. The word quick actually comes from the Old English word quick, which literally meant living or alive. This is where the old phrase, the quick and the dead, comes from. So the deepest, truest meaning of quick isn't just about time. It's about vitality, responsiveness. It's about life itself. Okay, so now that we get the living, responsive energy that's packed inside the word quick, let's learn a super common, modern way to use it in conversation. This is what I'd call the pro move, learning to be snappy. The word is snappy, and it literally sounds like what it means, right? That's onomatopoeia. To be snappy is to act with the same kind of decisiveness and immediacy as a finger snap. Snap. No delay, no fumbling, just a crisp, clean action. The perfect way to picture this is a film director on a busy set. They don't have time to waste. When they need the scene to start now, they yell action and snap their fingers. That's the vibe. It's a command to be efficient and immediate. And here it is in real life. It's a bit informal, sure, but you hear it all the time. It's just a direct, energetic way to say, hurry up, or be quick about it. And it gets the point across perfectly. So, there we have it. We've kind of broken down the old rules and built a whole new way of understanding these words. We've seen how thinking of adjectives as verbs unlocks a much deeper, more intuitive feel for the language. So let's just recap the key takeaways for your new English brain. So, what are the crucial points? First, adjectives aren't just decorations. They actively describe a state of being or doing. Second, the real soul of the word quick isn't just speed, it's life and responsiveness. And third, you can now seriously expand your vocabulary with awesome nuanced words like swift and brisk to show exactly what kind of quickness you mean. If you take only one thing away from our time together today, please let it be this question. From now on, whenever you see an adjective, just ask yourself this. Is it just describing what it is, or is it describing what it's doing? This one little shift in perspective will absolutely change the way you read, write, and even think in English. Okay, so now it's your turn. Time to put this into practice. I want you to pick one of our new words, swift, brisk, or snappy, and drop your own sentence in the comments below. Let's see you bring these amazing words to life.